But first, a viewer sent us some photos that inspired our creative topic today. Chelsea Montoya threw a darling birthday hooray for her 1-year-old Sloan with a darling daisy theme. Flowers, sprinkles, dress the cupcakes and the party food, but it's the white balloons you'll see here, yeah, with a golden center that made this show-stopping backdrop. It strikes us as classic balloons with a little something extra and affordable enough to have in a big quantity. Look at that. Even baby's outfit matched the theme. Cute Sloan. Chelsea purchased her daisy balloon clusters as a kit, but we know you'd like to know how to make your own. It seems simple enough, right? All you need are 5 petals and 1 center. So if I'm doing my math, 6 balloons, but it's how you twist and cluster that will help things shape out just so. There are a couple ways, I understand, to make and master the balloon flower. Balloon artist Mary Leishman, she's dancing with me on a Tuesday, and she's here to show us how you love these cute clusters, and you point out another benefit to flower balloons.
Yes, flower balloons are so great because they're affordable, they make a really big statement, they're easy to make, they're quick, and you can make something like this for just a couple of dollars.
Hold on, a couple of bucks, and I have a bright, beautiful backdrop.
Bright, beautiful backdrop, just like this.
Varied the sizes too.
Yeah, so I'm going to show you how to make both. I'm going to show you, you can make big ones, you can make small ones, you can make some with these petals. These are a heart-shaped balloon, and so the petals aren't round like some of those.
And did I read you can turn these into a garland as well?
Yeah, you can totally make these into a garland.
So they can come together for a really big impact.
Yeah, and I love to put glue dots on the back of these and then stick them on my garlands.
There you go. Look at that. It becomes kind of a punch point, right? An exclamation point to your existing balloon garland. All right, Miss Mary, show us how.
Okay, I'm going to show you how. So I'm going to show you how to make these ones with the heart-shaped petals. These are really cute because they actually look like a daisy.
No, they really do, and I wouldn't have even known that was a heart.
Yeah,
look at that. Just a subtle little dip, a little curvature, if you will.
Yeah, aren't those
on the side, darling.
Okay, let me show you how to make them. So I have 3 already put together.
Okay.
But all we're going to do, we're going to blow up one of these heart-shaped balloons, just like this.
This is a fancy machine.
Fancy machine. But you can do it. I brought this. This is my Amazon pump.
I like that you always try to validate the rest of us.
You can do it with your Amazon pump. You can do it with a hand pump.
Yeah, but Mary's a professional, so she gets the Cadillac of pumps. Yeah.
No, okay, so you're just going to tie it off.
Yep.
And all I do, I'm actually going to blow up another one to show you how I stick the two of them.
Can I help you wrangle?
I would love that. Balloons, because they're so staticky, sometimes they just they have a mind of their own. They like to move. Okay, so I have these 2 petals, right? I'm gonna get these glue dots. I buy my glue dots on Amazon.
Why don't these look more like hearts? Are we not filling them enough?
Yes.
Okay.
So we're filling them, we're underfilling them, and the reason we do that is because balloons expand or shrink, and right now it's summer. So if we were to take these outside, they would expand, and if we filled them up all the way, they'd pop.
Hold on, that's science.
Science.
That's science. I was going to say, if I were buying this to be a heart and it looked like this, I'd be mad about it.
Nope.
But we were going to take the temperature into consideration, the heat.
Yep.
Smart. She's a smart girl.
We don't want to pop. So all I did was I stuck some glue dots on the side.
Okay.
I'm going to peel this off.
Yes.
I'm going to stick these 2 together. That's it.
They're married.
Yep, they're married. We married them together.
They're in love.
Yep. We're going to do the same thing. Put all 5 together. Really, really easy. I have all of these.
Look at this.
Look at these fun strips of garbage.
Glue dots, well, you know, all in a day's work. These glue dots, you're just using a strip of like 4 or 5.
Yeah, I think 3 or 4. 3 or 4 will do it on these.
Okay.
And I just stick them together.
Will they hold?
Yeah.
They're pretty secure.
Look at all of those ones.
I mean, they're not moving. I know.
They're not moving. Yeah. Here we go.
Little personal fan.
Well.
A little warm in the studio today.
It is pretty warm in the studio.
We're underinflating our balloons and we're fanning ourselves.
Yep, we're underinflating. I like to kind of squeeze it so that it's a good circle.
You're like massaging the balloon into shape. You're making it behave.
Stop it. You're cracking me up.
I would never dare.
I know you wouldn't.
I hate balloons.
We just stick a couple of glue dots on that end. And
Can I retract that statement? I don't hate balloons.
I know, you hate blowing them up.
I hate blowing them up. Thank you. I felt like the Grinch in the room. Look at that!
That's what we do. That's
Look
it.
how cute that is.
Look at how easy that was.
Oh my gosh, that's adorable. And those heart balloons are just the perfect shape. I can't get over it.
Yep, so that's really, really easy. And you do the exact same thing for the bigger balloons and the balloons that are just regular circles.
So the ones here are regular circles.
Yep, these ones are 11-inch balloons. These ones are 5-inch balloons, and they're just regular 5-inch round balloons, regular 11-inch balloons, the kind you can get at Zerker's, Target, Walmart, anywhere.
Look how adorable. How are you selecting, because I've seen some of the fabulous parties and events you've been doing this summer on your Instagram. How are you selecting these kind of off-path palettes? Like, I wouldn't necessarily put a bright orange with a pastel pink, but suddenly it's working. What are you looking at from a colorway perspective when you're trying to assemble a grouping like this?
We always look at what the theme is of the party. Like, what if it's a boho party? We're not gonna go with this bright palette. This is like a first week of summer. We're happy to be here party. So why not make it bright and fun? Also, why not match my dress with the yellow? Why not do something fun, right? But we could make it a lot more subtle. We could put mustard instead of gold in the middle.
To soften it.
Yeah.
Is there a number of colors you're working with? Because I'm seeing how you've carried the fuchsia kind of just sparingly throughout the grouping, and it just is so pleasing to look at.
Yeah, I'm working, I think, right here with 5 colors, and I decided mix it up as much as you can.
Look at that. And the different shades of the colors, I think, kind of adds a sophisticated level with the darker pink, the lighter pink, the medium pink, all the pinks.
All the pinks.
This is adorable. Mary, thank you so much. How can we see more of your projects, your parties, and just admire your all-around talent?
Okay, you can check me out on Instagram at Mayberry Balloon Co. That's Mayberry Balloon Co.
Okay.
And then my website is the same, mayberryballoonco.com.
Mayberry Balloon Co. And I wouldn't suspend these from a string. That wouldn't work, right? I'd want to use them more as kind of a backdrop.
Yeah.
Okay.
Or you can stick them if you have garlands. Oh, look, this fell off. If you have garlands that you've already made, you can use the glue dots and just stick them straight on the garland.
Could you do these with helium?
I don't know why you'd want to, because helium, there's a helium shortage and helium's expensive.
So let's just keep it easy.
If you want them to float, they wouldn't float.
With the helium?
Nope.
They wouldn't.
Nope.
They just kind of sadly
Yeah.
move around. All right. We're going to stick with what we know. And we love it. Mary, thank you so much.
Thank you, bro.